Hi there, students. To levy, a verb. A levy, a noun. So I guess the government levied a levy. A levy is a tax. Yeah, it's something that you've got to pay. It's an amount of money, particularly a tax, that you have to pay to a government or an organisation. I guess the toll that you pay when you use a road or you go across a bridge is a levy. And then to levy, to demand an amount of money, such as a tax from a person or from an organisation. You could levy a fine as well. So the council can levy a fine of up to 25% of the unpaid bill. So a levy, it's an amount of money that you have to pay. Yeah, there was a levy on imports. Yeah, to levy, to place taxes on someone. So there are various taxes levied on motorists. There are levies on petrol. There's a levy on using the road. There are all sorts of different levies. Okay, so to levy, to force a person or a company or even a country to pay a tax, a tariff, a fine. It could be as a punishment for something, or it just could be a way to get money. So to levy tax on or upon someone or something. So I've heard that the government has levied a tax on oxygen. Yeah, every time you breathe, you've got to pay the levy. The county council has levied various taxes on hotel rooms. Yeah, there is a levy on the guests in hotels. Okay, so a levy, to impose a tax, a fine, to collect money. Yeah, you could even confiscate property to pay that levy. Let's see, in the old days, a levy also could be to draft somebody into military service. So, for example, in the Middle Ages, perhaps, every village had to provide a levy of soldiers to the king every year. Yeah, so a group of soldiers. Yeah, the number was levied on. A different number was levied on each of the villages. Okay, so to impose a tax, to impose a fine. Okay, so to levy a charge, to levy a fee, to impose a fee, to levy a surcharge, an extra payment, to levy a tax, to levy a rate. Yeah, but as in the rates, okay? So it's a sum of money you have to pay as tax to the government. Yeah, or the government levies a tax. It's demanding money or people from different organisations. Yeah, taxes should not be levied on the population without the authority of Parliament. To impose a tax, to charge a tax, to collect a tax, to place a tax on someone. This is the idea of to levy, or to conscript troops for service. Yeah, particularly in in medieval times. So yeah, the levy, the conscription of troops, to levy a tariff on certain imports. Okay, so to impose a tax, to impose a fine, yeah, or to draft. Okay, so formality, to levy. This is a financial word. I'm going to give this a 6.5 in formality. Use in a semi-formal conversation, just semi-formal or formal writing sounds better. And then as to origin, it comes from Anglo-Norman, lever, from French, lever, to raise, to lift up. So literally raising money, and a levy is you're imposing taxes to raise money. That's the point. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Levy.